Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to find the Capitec Swift Code. Okay, you can just come at any time if you want any branch codes, any Swift codes, just come to capitecbank.co.za, okay, and /branches, you can search it up here for any branch, okay, you can type in branches here, you can toggle this on, and whatever city you are in, Cape Town, whatever it is, okay, just type it in, you'll see all the branches, okay. And the Swift code usually remains the same, right? So if I come up here, let me show you. The Swift code is this: CABLZAJJ. Okay, that is the Swift code, and you can find the branch code easily. So this is the branch code for any branch, and there you go, guys. It's that easy. So that was the official one, and it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Smart Solutions, and I'll see you in the next one.